Sifuna, he's here. He came to condole with the Nakuru County, and maybe you can come and say hi to the people.
Thank you, Senator Keroche. Thank you. Thank you very much. To the families that are bereaved, to the clergy led by Reverend Kivuva, our First Lady, Madam Rachel Ruto, and all the leaders who are here, I greet you in the name of Jesus. Hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. My name is Edwin Sifuna. I am the SG of ODM, Senator of Nairobi, and the Deputy Minority Whip in the Senate. I have come here to condole with you on behalf of the ODM party, on behalf of the people of Nairobi, on behalf of all of us in the Linda Mwananchi movement. I want to say poleni sana. I am here because I'm a leader in this country. And today, as part of the leadership, we are not going to make any excuses. I want to tender an unreserved apology to the families who have lost these 16 young souls for all the failures of leadership that ensured that this could not have been arrested. We have nothing to say but pole for everything that we have done or not done to eradicate these things. Reverend Kivuva, you have asked for how long must these things happen? These things have happened and gone on for far too long. And as a country and as a leadership, we now need to put this to an end. You have said, for how long must people cry across the country? We are asking ourselves, where is our God? Because all over Kenya is just kilio too, Reverend. For how long must Kenyans cry? And we are hoping that you, the people, are going to provide some solutions in the coming future. I want, on behalf of the Linda Mwananchi team, because one of the parents here is our friend from Turkana, Mama Fortune Amaya. I have not seen her. I don't know where she is. Yes. I would like that on behalf of the Linda Mwananchi team, we are here with the Honorable Majimbo Kalasinga from Kabuchai. We are here with the Honorable Pauline Njoroge from Nairobi and Abi Zwena, who is a local here. We have put together something, just a token, to try and help with the burial arrangements. And Grace, who spoke on behalf of the affected families, please come so that you can receive the token that we have put together as Linda Mwananchi. Words fail us. As a parent myself, the phone call that I fear the most is from the school where my daughter attends. And I cannot begin to fathom what you are going through. Poleni sana na Mungu aweke roho za hawa watoto wetu mahali pema peponi. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
I can now invite the woman rep of Kiambu to come and to convey her condolence.